Hello YouTube and welcome back to MotorHub. Firstly, I would like to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to not miss any of my future updates. So, coming back to the video, the all-new Maruti Celerio comes with the same 1-liter engine from the previous model, but is tuned slightly to lower the emissions and improve fuel efficiency. And it is a reworked version of the previous K10B engine, which now has dual jet injection and an improved compression ratio from 11:1 to 12:1. There are 7 variants of Celerio on offer. The LXI, VXI, ZXI and ZXI Plus are the manual variants, and you get the automatic variant only in the VXI, ZXI and ZXI Plus trims. It is available in 6 colors, which are brown, red, silver, white, grey and blue, which is right in front of us. The all-new Celerio now gets passive keyless entry, electrically foldable mirrors, 15-inch alloy wheels, auto-idle start-to-stop system and a 7-inch infotainment system on the top trims. Coming to dimensions, it is 3.6 meters in length, 1.6 meters in width, 1.5 meters in height, and the wheelbase happens to be 2.4 meters. The base variant LXI retails at a price of Rs 5 lakhs and goes all the way up to Rs 6.94 lakhs for the top model, which is the ZXI Plus automatic variant, and the one in front of us is the ZXI Plus manual variant, and it retails at an ex-showroom price of Rs 6.44 lakhs. In terms of safety, the top model Celerio gets the following safety features, which include 2 airbags, seat belt warning, speed sensing auto door lock, impact sensing auto door unlock, pedestrian protection compliance, anti-lock braking system, high speed alert, reverse parking sensors, fog lamps and hill hold assist, which is only available in the automatic variant. So these are some of the key safety features. This car comes courtesy of Warren Motors located at Siripuram, Visakhapatnam. I'll leave the address and the phone number in the description box below, and this is how the showroom looks. And as soon as you enter inside, you can see the different models from Maruti Suzuki displayed right there. The Swift, Alto and of course the new Celerio. And these are the color palettes of the cars. And this is the customer waiting lounge. And over here is the cafeteria. These are for your interior customization. And these are your exterior styling parts and accessories. The 2021 Celerio gets a new design language with this chrome finished radiator grille right in the front. And coming to the headlights, there are halogens including the turn indicator and the parking lamp as well. And moving a little down, you get to see the fog lamps, which are halogen units as well, and there is a black insert on the bumper. And straight ahead, let's open the engine bay. And under the hood is Suzuki's 1-liter K10C BS6 engine, which produces a peak power of 66 bhp and a maximum torque of 89 Nm. And this engine is paired to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed automatic transmission, which is an AMT unit. And coming to fuel efficiency, the new Celerio is claimed to return 26 kmpl according to ARAI. No insulation provided and probably doesn't need one, as Suzuki's petrol engines are quite refined. Moving to the side, the new Celerio now gets 15-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, and the tire size happens to be 175 by 60 R15, and these are available only in the ZXI trims. The lower trims still get 14-inch steel wheels with 165 by 70 section tires, and there is request sensor right there. And on the top, you get an antenna in the front. And this is how the new Celerio looks from the rear. And the tail lamps might remind you of the Bellino. It gets a rear wiper and washer along with rear defogger as well. And this is the high mount stop lamp. And down here you get the Suzuki logo, Celerio badging. And this is how the tail light looks. And even the tail lights are halogen, including the turn indicators and the reverse lights. And down here you get reflectors on either sides along with reverse parking sensors. The new Celerio's ground clearance now stands at 170mm, which is 5mm more than the previous model. And even the boot gets a request sensor. And the boot carrying capacity happens to be 313 liters, and you get a parcel shelf as well. and the fuel tank capacity of this new Celerio is 32 liters. The spare wheel is placed under here, which is a 14-inch steel wheel. Now let's move to the rear seats. The rear doors open quite wide for ingress and egress. The rear doors can accommodate 1 liter bottle holders. This is how the rear seat of the new Celerio looks and might be a squeeze for 3 adults. There is a small hump in the middle. There are 2 headrests. And there is a lever placed here which when pulled reclines the rear seat to increase the boot carrying capacity. Adequate amount of knee room and leg room. Headroom is also not an issue. And under thigh support is also good. In the middle you get the power window switches for the rear passengers. And there are door handles placed on either sides of the roof. Now let's move to the driver's seat. It gets request sensor on both the front doors. And front door pockets can also accommodate 1 liter water bottles. Manual height and recline adjust for the driver's seat. There is a proper dead pedal on offer. This is to open the hood of the vehicle, and this is the headlight leveler. The start or stop button is placed right here, and it also gets auto start or stop function. And these are the outside rearview mirror controls which can be used to adjust as well as retract. Circular AC vents with silver inserts, and the steering wheel gets audio controls mounted on them. These are for the infotainment audio controls, and these are for the call controls and voice recognition control. In the middle you get a touchscreen infotainment system, and these are the middle AC vents which look quite premium. And below the screen you get some switches. This is to lock or unlock the windows. This is for the passenger side window. This is the hazard light switch, and this is the automatic driver side window, and this is to lock or unlock the doors. And just below them you get the AC controls which might remind you of the new Swift. And just below them is the 12 volt power outlet and the USB and aux ports as well. You also get some storage space and bottle or cup holders below it, and this is the manual gear knob, manual parking brake. And the front seats are also quite comfortable to be in. SRS airbag written right there. And this is the glove box of the vehicle and is of decent size. No auto dimming inside rearview mirror. These are the cabin lights which are halogen. This is for the Bluetooth calls. Passenger side visor gets a mirror. Driver side visor gets only a ticket holder. Coming to the infotainment system, it is a 7-inch touchscreen unit which gets Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, USB, aux and Bluetooth connectivity, and the audio quality is quite decent considering the price point of the vehicle. It also shows the clock and your fuel economy. And you also get to customize some settings of the vehicle. And you also get a quick access hub which can be pulled down like this, and you can add your favorite shortcuts there. And you can also completely turn off the screen like this. And coming to the instrument cluster, it is an analog digital unit, and you get speedometer right in the middle, and to the right in a circle you get the digital MID which includes the tachometer and the gear position and gear shift indicator along with fuel level, clock, odometer. And you get a button over here which toggles between the twin trip modes and instantaneous fuel consumption, average fuel consumption, range and odometer. That is about it. And now putting into reverse shows you an infographic display on the touchscreen unit which displays like this. And you can also find my video on the automatic variant on the top right link.